cái cách thay cái gạt mưa cho xe Porsche. Em
làm
đây
gì
là size bao nhiêu này?
Today we are in Hanoi. In Vietnam. We're gonna change the wiper blades on the lovely Porsche Cayenne. As you can hear, it's quite noisy here. That's the normal traffic here in Vietnam. Actually, we are on the quite quiet street, so we should be okay to record. Of the owner of this business, that's Mr. Chin. Once again, how to say wiper blades in Vietnamese?
Gạt mưa.
So we're gonna change gạt mưa on the Porsche Cayenne today. To change wiper blades on the Porsche Cayenne, it's quite simple. All we need to do, we leave the wiper arm, twist, and we're able to take it off. Always remember to put the protection. As you can hear the horn on the traffic of Hanoi, it's quite common. Okay, now we've got two Heyner hybrid wiper blades here. We're going to change it. That's two 26-inch. So I'm gonna take one off. That's the adapter we won't need for this job. Yeah, it's pre-fitted hook adapter. Always remember to remove red plastic cover. Okay, I'm gonna click the adapter on the wiper blade, take off the red plastic cover, lift wiper arm, yeah, and job done. New wiper blade fitted on this lovely Porsche Cayenne. As you can see, there's not much rain here, but humidity is quite high, and the dust. So wiper blades got a lot to do in this part of the world. Thank you for watching.
Chúng ta tiến hành thay. Thao tác rất là đơn giản thôi. Ở đây mình sẽ tháo cái gạt mưa cũ của xe ra.